For bamboo toothpick production line, it is consisted by different types of machine. Each machine has each machine functions. The first machine is raw bamboo sawing machine. We need to cut the bamboo into certain lengths, for example, 1.9 meter or 2 meter. This is a demo video. After bamboo cutting, we need to do bamboo splitting process. This is bamboo splitting machine. We put the bamboo pole into this machine. The inner hole of bamboo should match the inner hole of the blade. Splitting. Stop this machine. Usually this machine is worked by 2 persons. Another person will take out of already split bamboo strips. This is the bamboo strips after splitting. You can see that each strip is with certain widths. This is called fixed width slicer. This machine is for removing the bamboo knot part inside and outside, and also setting the widths and separating green layer from yellow layer. After using this machine, you will get a standard size strip. Small layering machine. For very thick bamboo strips, we feed the bamboo strips into this machine and get the well-setted thickness strip. The downside strip, it is the thickness we set. Okay. The downside strip is the thickness we need. Then it will go next step for stick making. MBZS5 is a machine for shape-forming bamboo strips into round bamboo sticks. For bamboo toothpick making, the shaping blade size we equipped is 2.0 mm. The standard diameter of toothpick is 2 mm. So after using this machine, you will get a standard diameter of the sticks, 2 mm. Then we stop this machine. After we get fresh bamboo sticks, we will do for bamboo stick boring process for chemical treatment, and also go for drying step. Bamboo sticks need a chemical treatment and also drying process. This is precise cutting machine. We also call the length setting. Start this machine. This is a machine demo. You need to put the long sticks in the area and then press and feed. After you get 65 mm sticks, we will put into polishing machine for polishing the surface of the stick into smooth. For this machine, it will also remove unqualified, shorter or broken sticks during the polishing process. Then it will go for sharpening process, shape forming round sticks into toothpicks, double pointed. Just now we have already polished the bamboo sticks. It is more easy for feeding in bamboo toothpick sharpening machine. For this machine, it is double type sharpening machine. You will get double pointed bamboo toothpicks. The feeding of this machine is very continuously. It is the latest model. For toothpick filling machine, it is for filling the toothpicks in the bottles, in the plastic bottles. This machine is specially designed according to your plastic bottle size. One machine can work for one size only. After you start this machine, we need to move the button to on, and it will start a heating process. After the temperature reaching the temperature we set, then it is going to be used. 就是说，当我们启动机器的时候呢，一定要按一下这里的 Run，OK？OK。然后就是扭动这个按钮。
对。
Rotate this button。